Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our brand positioning Socratic dialogue. So, what is positioning? Why do companies position themselves as a certain brand or as a certain word? Is it only to create awareness, or does companies benefit more than that from it? We'll explore all these questions, but before we get right into this, I'll request the teams to just give their introduction, please. Who's going first?
Hi everyone. We would like to go first. So hi everyone. This is Aditya. I'm data scientist on the talk, and we would like to do this. Uh, First, we'll introduce every team member, then we'll go to this.
So, hi everyone. My name is Samdi Rafiuddin Shah. Currently, I'm a full stack developer in DeepCloud.
Hi, Din. My name is Vipon. I'm currently working as a web developer in DeepCloud.
Thank you, Team EcoGuard. Team Brand Architects.
Hello, my name is Priyank and I am currently working in DeepThought as a developer.
My name is Vinay Kumar, and I'm currently working as a developer in DeepThought.
Thank you, Vinay.
Hello everyone. My name is Mukram Patel. Currently, I'm working in DeepThought as a business analyst.
Thank you, Mukram. Yes, Omkareshwar, would you like to go next?
Hello everyone, I'm Omkareshwar. I'm currently working as a full stack developer at DeepCloud. Today I will be co-moderating the also.
Hello everyone, I'm Artwa. I'm working as a growth hacker in DeepThought and I'll be your moderator today. So before we go into pitching, I would request both the teams to share the reason behind their names. Who wants to go first?
Okay, we will go first then. Our
Yes.
team name is EcoGuard. So we keep the EcoGuard as we are more focusing on safety. So that's why we keep our name as an EcoGuard.
Okay, thank you, Team EcoGuard. Team Brand Architects.
So, good evening, everyone. So, the reason behind the brand architects is because we want to position our brand in the market as a best brand. So that's why we want to be a brand architects.
Okay, thank you, Team Brand Architects. Who's going to be pitching first?
Our team is going to pitch first.
Okay, thank you, Team EcoGuard. Yeah, go ahead.
We are sharing the screen at the presentation. So, screen sharing is disabled, so I was pitching myself. So, hi, Din. Our company name is the EcoGuard, and the brand name is the EcoGuardian, and the word of the home is the safety. And because we keep the EcoGuard, because of we want to position our brand in the market as the safest, and the business intent is we are introducing the electric vehicles in India, and we are more focusing on safety as a core value proposition, and the next thing is continued by my teammate Rafi.
So, hi everyone. The problem statement where we want to solve is that there are many EVs. Okay, but there are many EVs, but many people don't.
Just give me a second, Rafi. Yes, Team EcoGuards, you can share your screen now. Please continue.
So the problem statement we want to solve is, see, there are many cars as we can see as of today, like they which run on just this petrol, diesel, and CNG. But there is an catch that it will fall into pollution one day or the other for this future generation. So that we come up with our EVs, because EVs will solve the environmental problem. So the values we are going to solve are the safety and the environment responsibility. Safety, as in we are protecting your loved ones, and also the EVs, through EVs we are also protecting the environment. And so the next part will be taken up by.
So hello guys. Next one. So the unique value that we have is we would like to prioritize our safety first over all the EVs. Why how we are doing it, how we are positioning it is we would like to have validation to our statements saying we would like to give certifications to and NCAP certifications to our safety measures. That's how we are unique from other EVs because they're not right now as safest as we want them to be. We would want to have more EVs running in India. Thank you guys. That was our the conclusion. We would want more EVs to be running yeah with that are safety. Thank you guys, that's our pitch.
Thank you, Team EcoGuard. Now we can open the panel for questions. Team Brand Architects, you guys can go ahead with the questions.
Yes, so my question is regarding your that you are if, saying that you are building the EV with less cost, and the other thing is safety. So you are providing safety also. So when you increase the safety, your cost is also increased. So how you deal with that? Like these both things are opposed from each other.
Uh,
Priyank, I think that was an operational based question. How about the product based on operational based questions? You might want to move your questions to positioning or brand architecture.
So as my question that why you choose that safety is your brand, like safety makes the position your company position. Why you choose?
yeah, so the reason why we chose is there are a lot of cars, there are a lot of brands that are currently there in cars when we talk about EVs. Like let's take an example of Tata Tiago. Initially they had a market in India because they were looking at safety. But when they were not getting that safety, when they were not getting that much of sales, they moved into performance. Then they got their sales. That is different scenario. But why we are saying safety is essential because we would like to have more EVs running on Indian roads, and in an accident, EVs would get crushed if that is the case. So we would like to save passengers and have more uh, EVs running in India. That's why we chose safety as a major of.
Is there a follow up to that, brand architects?
Oh, you guys said that we are protecting the environment. So how you are protecting the environment? Like EV cars also produce some uh, battery production also cause some harmful to environment, right?
That is for that right now also
Mukam, can
Indian
you
government.
please explain about the provisioning?
Could you please rephrase your question in a way that includes brand communication, brand positioning?
Okay, so the first question is, so how do you want to position your brand in the market?
You would like to position it as the safest EV that is there in India.
So my follow up question uh, to the team is like you are saying that safety. So for your positioning, you are only giving the safety to the passenger or for the environment also.
For both of them, as we have chosen EV, that would get the consideration of the environment, and for the passenger safety, we would like to go into safety measures like getting the build of an petrol car and fitting it into EVs, because EV structure is like very light in today's environment. That's why in an accident they can easily accidents can happen where there is risk of life is there. That's why I would like to have a good build of the car. So that is how we're ensuring that safety of the passengers.
So for positioning, you are using the both, like safety for the environment and safety for the passenger. Okay, got it.
Okay. So what if another company comes with a same positioning strategy called safety? So how do you make your uh, USP so that you would stand against, I mean, stand out with that company or organization?
I just like that. As we said that we are more focusing on safety, and we also bring in more infrastructure to our cars and also of our EVs, so that we can move ahead of the other marketing and also the opportunities. There is other brand that they are coming with the safety, and also we integrated the advanced features in our car, uh, so that our positioning of our safety will remain same in the market.
Can you describe? You said something about structure. We are using different structure to position ourselves in the market, right?
Sorry, I did not get it.
As you told, you are bringing some different structure in the market to position yourself ahead in the market. So, what do you mean by structure? What structure?
Structure. We are using the advanced technologies in our parts like the ADAS features and also so that we use the different technologies of who was using in the other countries so that we can be ahead on the market.
Just to more take it more elaborate, I would like to follow up Pawan. So our main motive came from there are two brands. One is Western brand and one is our Indian brand. There is Mercedes and uh, Kia. Kia's brand is their Nitro. So they both are EVs and they're more focused on safety. But regarding their budget, they're not budget friendly for India. But our focus is not on budget, but we would like to make it available to Indian society.
Would that make your positioning as budget friendly rather than uh, safety?
Uh, that would come, but my positioning would be more around safety. But I would like to make it available.
So if I'm a user and I think it as budget friendly, would that harm your positioning, or would you want to still keep going with the same positioning, even if your
Uh,
users take you as budget friendly?
if my audiences takes me as budget friendly, I won't have anything. But if my brand name comes, the one word they would have to come into mind, that is safety. It is safe. That's why I'm taking it.
You can say the what we say affordability can be the byproduct, but first the people will be know the safety first.
But isn't affordability much easier to catch on? Because I think, as Pawan mentioned, you're using, I mean, positioning safety through different technologies in your EV. But I'm a user. I don't know what technology you have in your EV. So why would why would the word safety come into my mind? And why not budget friendly or cheap or affordable? Affordable probably.
So why we didn't choose it is it sometimes if you would like to increase more safety features, correct, the budget may increase. But if I want to make it afford friendly, I would have to compromise on some safety features. Correct, and I don't want to do that. Even if my performance reduced, let's suppose I want to make it available for Indian people. Suppose I reduced some of my performance, That is also okay with me because I would like to prefer security. I hope you got the.
Add on to Aditya, like we are just attracting a like customer who just want the safety. Okay. We don't want the people who wants that affordability thing or the petrol diesel thing. We want to attract people with who wants safety and also EV vehicles. Yeah.
So you're positioning the market as a safety. So people who want affordability, they can't buy your, like you can't place your product, position your product at that place. You want to position only at safety. The target audience is people who want safety.
I mean, that is why what I said now. I would want to make it. I would want to increase the market of EV in India. Currently, it's 6%. I would want to increase the market of EV because my main thing is safety. Correct. There is safety of nature also that we talked about, right? So that safety of nature I want. So for that, we are looking for safety as a measure. In
Do
that,
you
I
think
would want to make it available.
do you think people will buy if you say it's safe for nature? How many people, what is the percentage of people in India who buy sustainable products because it's safe for nature?
I mean, currently the what we say. Currently, we are giving awareness. Currently, people are moving towards making India more sustainable, making India more into nature's perspective. So if we take initiative in this progress also, it will grow. Because right now, what is happening? There are EVs, correct, but they're more focused on performance. How in one charge, how much I can performance give. But with that, what is happening? They're not looking into any aspect of security. The Tata Tiago that I talked about, they have like 3.9 something rating, correct. But they then switched into performance. Right now, their performance excellent. That is the reason they're most of the most buyed product in the environment right now. But we would like to go into market with safety as first priority for all the natures and all the love.
Makes sense. I
My
do have a
follow-up
follow-up,
question.
but yeah, before that, I would want to take questions from Vinay and Priyank.
Okay, I have a follow-up question. So, what if the people who prefer safety than performance are very less? What if people who prefer performance are very high in the market? So, how do you deal with that?
For that question, currently in India, for day-to-day uses also we are using petrol diesel cars, so that is harming our pollution. Correct. So when I said I want to make it available to most of my users, I meant that for Indian uses, I would want people to use EVs. So does that answer your question?
My follow-up question is, as we are seeing that in India, they are like more focused on the rates and all the things. So you are losing the big number of the people. So with the like your positioning is like only like this, that safety is there. So how you deal with that with this, that you are losing high number of people, like most number of people in India.
Once I can show the impact, right? It's not like I'll make it in one charge or 10 kilometers happen. When I say about reducing the performance, I'm saying like if Tata Tiago is giving in one charge 200 kilometers, I would want to give 160, 120 in the range of that. Not like I'm degrading it for completely. I'm reducing the performance a little bit so it is more affordable to all the people.
Okay, so you are making it affordable using reducing some miles,
Huh,
not reducing the safety. So you are cutting down some miles.
yeah,
Okay, got it.
just
Yes,
more from
As you said, you are reducing the performance to increase the safety and reduce the price, right? Am I right?
Hmm.
So, in India, there are 30% middle class families. So, they prefer affordability compared to safety. Like most of them prefer affordability compared to safety. So, how can you place your product at that position compared to others? Like you cannot place your position above from the above in the market, no, from other products available in the market because your products going to be price going to be high, no, because you're
Okay,
increasing the safety.
got it. Now, what is happening is there is not a lot of awareness that is there about EVs. And the main reason that people are not moving towards EVs is because of the security. Like we said in previous in Corona timing, lot of Olas got burned out. Correct. As we said in Tata Tiago, also there was some issues over there. That is why people there is not lot of awareness. That's why I want to make it safe and I want to go into market. So I can make awareness and increase the 6% count to more number of EVs are there. Because government is also supporting it, we can take help from governments also to EVs, doing that, giving it awareness.
Add on to that, Adityas is also in the middle class. They are more focusing on safety also because if they are going outside, if they are the family is going outside, so that they will be more focusing on safety than the performance because they might with an accident, so that there is a problem with the family situation cities. So that we are more focusing on safety than the performance.
Does that answer your question, Mukram?
Now what? Like you said, middle class families need safety when they are moving out with their family. So it means that people who have family can only buy your product.
And lot of Indians have family. It's like they look in India we have we wanted our
Target
families to be
market.
safe.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay, in interest of time, we'll be closing this round. Thank you, Team EcoGuard, for the presentation and for the pitch. Now I would request Team Brand Architects to go ahead with the pitch.
So good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Vinay,
Okay.
you're audible.
So the brand that the product we are coming up with is the Bash Builder. So it is a project event management tool where you can manage or divide the event task, or you can set up milestones for your event. So it's like an event planner. So go to the next. So the sorry. The the tagline that we want to use is it's a seamless management. So go to the next slide. So our business intent is to earlier people used to um, they and traditionally the people use calendars, or people use spreadsheets, or even pen and paper to plan and manage their events. But right now we want to provide a good a software solution, a good UI, so that people can manage, or people can plan their events. So next slides, Priyank is going to explain. Priyank, you're not audible.
Yes, so from our product, we are solving a problem that it is complex for anyone to planning the event. So we are solving this problem. As why it is complex? Because we are using some spreadsheet, email charts, or different products. But they are not giving you the full bandwidth to like plan the event. So in our product, we are giving all the things like budget analyzer and analytics and the shareable content also. So the from with the help of our product, we are solving this problem. And what value we are giving is we are giving the value to the organizer. So when organizer use our product, the organizer can able to manage event properly or in a good way.
So unique solution we are providing is basically Dash Builder is the budget analyzer. We can divide our budget to different tasks. Like the features we are going to provide is different graphs and pie chart to analyze the budget. Next slide. So let's conclude. I'm going to conclude about the upload web pitch. Whether it's a corporate conference, a social gathering, or it can be a small birthday party, anything. Our tool Dash Builder is the ultimate partner for seeking elevate their events into new heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Team Brand Architects. Over to Team EcoCard for questions.
So I will go first. And what is the unique value or the unique positioning that you from the market?
So from our product, the unique thing is budget analyzer and analytics. So as you know, in every event there is budget issue. So you divide some with the budget to each and every task. So what our analyzer and analytics do, show you the charts and bar charts and different graphical things. So you can analyze your budget and change your budget if needed. So this is the unique thing which we are providing you with our product as compared to the competitors.
I just that out. Your tagline is saying that it's a seamless manner. So how are you making sure that it's seamless?
Seamless means smooth, like we are providing the smooth interface or smooth process to build the event or create the event. As event manager can create the event using our application and divide all the tasks to their subordinates with the budget also. So they also can able to see all the things at once. So it is a real-time application. If any changes is there, so this changes made smooth, like seamless for all the people who are managing the event. So
Just
that's
a
why it is
follow,
seamless.
uh, just a follow up to that. In event management, the essential thing I could think of is follow ups. The task you have assigned to follow up that task. So, is there any features that you are doing for ensuring that it is seamlessly followed up?
Like for follow-up, the chat feature is there in our application. So you can follow up all the things, like you can chat also with your all the team of event, like event management. So you can chat and change if needed. You can change the something if needed.
So can you can you tell me like what will be your long term positioning strategy for your cash people to, to be in the market for long?
So Rafiq, as for long-term strategy, uh, we have lots of like event functional owners and all that. No, when we plan an event, we give task to any functionals or other event owners, any functionals or something. The owners are we connect them with them. So long-term strategy, we gonna get discounts from them. Like we are after 10 years, if we are connected to them, we'll get discount from them that we can provide it to our customers. So after 5 years, after 5 years in the market, if we are selling our product in the market, they can see the work we have done. And other thing is that they will get a discounts on the event management accessories they need to manage. So long term experience, we can say we position ahead from all of them.
So like you said, you are doing for a different event, right? Like birthdays or for corporate. So how will you adapt your positioning strategy according to different events? Like there won't be similar strategy will be following, right? Positioning strategy.
Our our tool has different themes for different events. If you want to organize a birthday party, you can go to that theme and choose what you want to do.
And can I take this?
Yes,
Yeah.
then continue.
Yes, Mitra. In every event, what is the basic requirement is seamless management. So if management is good, then the event is like very good. So for the same, we are giving the seamless management tool. So using our application, this smooth management you can do.
Yes, Aditya.
Yeah. So your unique value, that is budget analyzed or budget analyzing, I think. In that, how are you making sure? Because budget management can be happen like the same like managers will use it. Managers already know how to analyze the budgets and making sure that it is done. Why would they use your product for budget analysis?
But for specific tasks, say if you want divide um, your task based on your budget, so our application will help you.
Okay, just a second. So Aditya, that question was more of how would the product do a certain feature, or how would a certain feature help the user in a certain way? Can you reposition your question in a way that includes the positioning or the brand in any way? How would they represent the brand, or how would they represent the position?
Yeah, I asked that because that is what their unique proposition is for their positioning. That's why I asked that question.
Makes sense, but the question and the answer was more into how, what features do they have in that particular, let's say, in business analyzer or other things. You can reposition or ask a different question, whichever works.
Mhm.
Anyone from EcoCard?
Yeah, I would reposition it and ask it in 3 minutes. And we can go ahead.
So like can you tell me a one word like people will be know your brand in the market? Like there is brand architects.
As Priyank mentioned, seamless.
Can you be brief?
User friendly, smooth coordination, streamlined process, like efficient tracking. This all comes under seamless event
Also, we want to constantly improve the UA, taking the feedback from the users and doing experiments, doing high velocity testing so that users
On my side, is how do we adapt our positioning strategy to remain relevant in a changing market or the evolving the client performance?
Can you please repeat the question, Pawan?
Yeah, how do we adapt to our positioning strategy to remain relevant in the marketing or to evolve the clients?
So for remaining in the market, we use only the same thing. The thing is but budget analyzer and analytics. we just improve this feature to any extent to be in the market, because this is our unique thing, and we want to continue this unique thing, and only on the basis of this thing we attract the customer. And because I don't think so any of the other platform is providing this for the mm, uh, event management as a event management tool. So we want to continue the same unique thing which we had, like build it to the any extent to be in the market.
Then how do you ensure that the brand positioning align with your needs and also the expectations of your target audience?
Hmm.
Marketing, promotion. Well, we can do marketing, promotion, feedback. By this, we can improve our tool. Is that
Okay, so I have a question. You guys talked a lot about your USP. Where is it, how is your USP exactly incorporated into your positioning? Like the budget analyzer and everything else. How is that exactly incorporated into your
Okay.
position?
So right now, the, you sorry, the tools right now
Yeah, Vinay,
uh,
we
are
cannot
not
hear you
providing
properly.
this budget analyzer. And also, am I audible now?
Yes, somewhat. Someone else from the team can also take over this question.
Uh, yes, sir. I want to take. Can you please repeat this
Yeah, so
that
where
question?
exactly is your USP going into your positioning strategy? Because your USP is a big part, right? You want to attract all of your customers through it. So where is it going exactly in the positioning? Which part of positioning strategy does it?
Positioning strategy. We use this as a positioning strategy. Like we position our product that we are giving this feature to you, and this unique feature to every audience, like every user of our product. So yeah, we use this unique feature.
How do you use this unique feature to position?
Like we advertise this user that this feature that uh, if you want if you like make your budget or change your budget, so with the use of these graph and bar chart or a visual thing, like you can change or you can make the budget in a good way. So we position like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Aditya, your question.
Just to follow up your question, uh, as Arthur said, how is your budget analyzer coming into your tagline or your position, right? But because it says budget analyzer in your positioning said seamless management. So in management, seamless management, how is your budget analyzer? Because
Aditya,
management,
yes, yes.
in management, only distribution of work and getting follow-ups and making the work done is I would consider management.
No, Aditya, it is regarding the budget also, because the budget is the most important part of any event. So if you are able to manage your budget in a good way, so you can able to manage the event in a good way. So our tagline is seamless management, and for seamless or smooth management, we are using this budget analyzer. So it give you the opportunity to assign some budget to event and change the budget if needed. If something some budget is over budget, then you can cut down the budget and give that budget to any other thing or use that budget to any other thing. So this is how the seamless or like smooth management can be done using our product.
Sorry
Want
to
to add to
interrupt.
it?
In the interest of time, we'll only have one last question.
Okay, the last question is, suppose if any other company came in with the same strategy of positioning, then what is your thing that you are getting out of the market and being at the top?
So, Pawan, for answering this question, I just said that I previously mentioned the same. I am mentioning the same that with the time, like with the time, we also upgrading our product. And how we upgrade? We upgrade our this budget analyzer and analytics. So we in market uh, as compared to our competitor, stay we stay ahead to our competitor. So we use the upgradation to stay in the market.
Pavan, you got your answer.
That's all. Fine.
Okay, it was good experience, but I'd like to take three reflections. Who will begin?
So I will go first.
I will.
Uh, the first thing told about EcoGuard, where they are providing in the market we have lots of EV cars, but they are not providing safety as I said. But but EcoGuard came with an innovative idea where they are providing safety to the cars. They are providing good infrastructure. They are not focusing on performance or anything. Right now in India, as you can see, Indian cars don't provide much safety. They came up with some innovative idea, safety to the environment and safety to the people, like people sitting in the car. And next, asking questions to them, they answer multiple answers. They're just as similar to like question answer is similar among others. Like everybody answers similarly. And when we talk about our brand, that is event management tool. Event management tool is a unique tool. Like other countries have this unique tool, but India doesn't have. As what other a brand like EcoGuard, Tesla also available in the USA, but it's not available in India. So like our brand also available in Western countries and not available in India. We are adding some extra features to our tool, which makes us it seamless and user friendly. So that was my reflection. So asking questions made understood the product more efficiently and more good.
Okay, Muktam, thank you for your reflection. Priyank, you can go ahead.
So with the interaction of Aquaguard team, so when they are asking some question regarding my product, so it's to allow me to think once again about my products. So like all the things I am revising, my positioning, my unique, like my tagline, all the things I am revising, values of our product and problem statement. So it's a nice experience for me. And the other thing is I get to know different perspective that Aquaguard team is using for the positioning uh, their EV electric vehicle in the market. So I learned a lot of things from this. Thank you.
Okay, Priyank, thank you for your reflection. Pavan, you can go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Tim. This is very interesting topic dialogue. I learn more about the brand architects and how they are positioning there in the market by using the analytics and other things. And also, when they are asking the questions to our related to our brand, we are going to our peers of our brand and also our positioning strategies. And it is a very good to participate in this topic dialogue. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for participating in this. It was overall a good experience. We'd like to meet next week.
Thank you. Thank you, Omkar.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Omkar.